So this looks like it's pretty painful in most of your shoes.
I just have shoes that, you know, aren't painful. I wear men's shoes with big toe dogs.
Okay. And how long's it been like this?
Oh, a couple of years. You know, my dad had this thing, and there are other of the toes that are starting it. And you did the test to see, and it wasn't fungus, and so.
Now, if you had told me that it was you that ran the New York City Marathon this year instead of your daughter, I would have said, well, there's the reason.
No. I think at my age, I'm a little past that. Although there are
Oh, you'd be
older
surprised.
people,
Yeah.
But probably not your first marathon at 73.
So I would say if this is something that you wanted to treat, that I would retest it for fungus, because I'm pretty sure this would come back. This one, at least this nail, would come back fungal. But the only reason to do the test is if you really want to spend the time and money and energy treating it. And there's oral medications, there's topical medications, which probably wouldn't work on this one, and laser. So, or we can just thin it out and keep you comfortable. That's the other option. So,
Yeah, I'm
Up
not
to you.
a big fan of oral medications.
all right. So let's see if that's enough to get you back in a woman's shoe.
Probably
You know,
not.
'cause it's all right, because it's way thinner now.
Yeah.
You know, and just trimming it occasionally might be enough to keep you comfortable.
Okay.
So, okay.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.